Get paid, no, I'm always on my grind, 24/7 days.
Favorite color, money green. Paper. I've been on my grind since I was in the 7th grade. Had my first kid, I was only 17.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got our hands on the recently released Air Jordan 4 in this University Blue colorways. I don't know what it is about UNC colorways in 2021 that people are going crazy for. So we're very excited to be adding this sneaker to the collection.
And guys, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because this sneaker reminds me of a certain Travis Scott sneaker, and we're very excited to show you guys with multiple outfits on feet. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video.
Now the box is a little bit different from your standard Air Jordan 4 box. It has the Jumpman logo in this University Blue, which kind of makes sense. And the rest of the box is in this cement print. And we got the sneaker in the size 8.5. We're going to talk about the sizing later. So let's just jump right ahead and get the sneaker out of the box. Now up close, I really like the University Blue on the upper of the sneaker, and I like how the suede quality is top notch. It's really soft to the touch. They decided to add this cement accents all throughout the sneaker. It gives the sneaker a very classic look. This sneaker is going to appeal to a lot of people because it gives it that player exclusive vibe, and it's very similar to that Travis Scott Air Jordan 4 that released way back. I know a lot of people couldn't cop that sneaker because you guys know the price was through the roof, but hopefully this one is going to be more available for a lot of people to cop for retail.
Now, even though we've seen this University Blue on multiple silhouettes and collaborations, I like how this one sets itself apart with this cement accents on the midsole and this wing area of the Jordan 4. It really gives it a classic look. Now when it comes down to the quality on this Jordan 4, this one is a little bit better than the Topaz 4s that I released earlier. This one's suede is a little bit better quality, and it's very buttery to the touch.
One thing about this sneaker I didn't like was that they didn't include multiple pair of laces. This University Blue is just a little bit too much for us. It makes the whole upper a one color palette, and I didn't really like that. So we would like to throw on like a pair of black laces to give it more visual interest.
Yeah, I think a black pair of laces will really complement the black accents that are already on the sneaker. But you can also go ahead and throw in a white pair of laces. It's really gonna work with the sneaker as well. Now, as you guys can see, we decided to go ahead and add the black laces on the sneaker. And I know a lot of people are gonna say it looks very similar to that Travis Scott Air Jordan 4, but we decided to go ahead and add it because it's really gonna make the sneaker more versatile to style on feet, and it's gonna make the sneaker more easier as well with multiple outfits. Now with this Jordan 4, we decided to go with it 8.5. It fits kind of tight, but we like a snug fit, so it doesn't really matter to us what size we go with. We could either go true to size or down half a size, but this is definitely going to be better if you go up a half size because it's going to make the sneaker more comfortable on feet.
Now the UNC color is a very loud color on any sneaker, so when it comes to styling this one, I would suggest you go with more monotone kind of outfits like olive or brown, or you can go with more complementary colors like orange. I think it's going to make the outfit more visually interesting instead of just going ahead and matching the color that's already on the sneaker. Now before we show you guys how the sneaker looks on feet, please guys go ahead and leave a like on this video right now because it really helps the channel grow, and it helps us know you guys like these type of videos and to keep making more for you guys. So please guys, go ahead and leave a like down below, and please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video.
Guys, I know there's been a lot of UNC colorways that have released. Do you prefer this Jordan 4 over the recent release Jordan 1s? Tell us what you think about in the comment section. And until then guys,
We'll see you guys on the next video.